How to buy Anim token on bybit wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. You get them on the description. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token on bybit wallet, copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's available. It's under the Ethereum network. Open your Bybit wallet for that. Select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on these three lines. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on confirm to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the Anim token from here, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now click on swap and you will be able to redirect to a Bybit exchange platform. So what you need to do here, connect your Bybit wallet to exchange to Bybit exchange. And now as you can see, switch from here from the select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now that type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is now, so that click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your Bybit wallet. So this is how to buy Anim token on Bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.